I'm glad that I grew up knowing Yiddish. And when I teach Jewish history, and I teach the history of European Jews, I don't see how you can possibly teach that history without knowing Yiddish. Because it's not just a language, as I said. This is their language. There's no other people. And it's a language that, and I became aware of it even when I got married, because my husband's parents came from Ukraine. Now, they grew up speaking Yiddish. I spoke English with them, not Yiddish. But you see, there it was the same language, different part, far away, but it was the same language. And regardless of where the Jews were in Eastern Europe, there were no borders as far as Yiddish was concerned. And the fact that this was a language that united these people, and it was separate from everybody else. Nobody else in that spoke that language. So I think, yes, it was very important.